Hello friends, Katie here from Salvaged by K. Scott, coming to you from an Airbnb today because Doug and the boys and I have just finished the over 1,600 kilometer drive from our new home on the east coast of Canada in New Brunswick all the way back to our old stomping grounds here in Ontario to visit with some family and friends over the kids' spring break. But since we've got a free day today, I thought this would be the perfect opportunity for me to finally bring you along and share with you one of my all-time favorite salvage treasure troves, PDI National Salvage in Bradford, Ontario, which is also the beautiful little town where my furniture flipping business, Salvaged by K. Scott, was born. We're here. Let's go see what we can find. These guys actually have a TV show on the History Channel called Salvage Kings, but they are part of the Priestley Demolition Company who demolish all kinds of old buildings and structures all across Canada. The salvage team goes into these sites before the wrecking balls start swinging to try and reclaim whatever reusable materials they can. They grab stuff from all different areas of construction like lumber, electrical, plumbing, historical objects, and antiques, and it's all available for the public to purchase at their retail location here in Bradford. They deal with lots of collectors, interior designers, film and TV set designers, and contractors, but a lot of the stuff that they've got isn't really stuff that I have a ton of use for in my furniture flipping business, although they do get some really cool furniture pieces. But I just love popping in here every so often just to take a look around. Toronto Blue Jays. Oh, that's a cool stool. $65. This is the problem with this furniture being out here. Oh, yeah, it's all swollen. Oh, I've done one of these tables. $16. Look at that. Is that real stone? It is. It's gorgeous. That would make a good flip piece. With some paint. I like that. And here's another more modern piece that I would consider for a flip. They don't have a price on it though. Such beautiful Art Deco design. Look at how thick that door is. To say I'm a little upset that I can't pick up any of this stuff because I have to drive home with 2 kids and a dog and my husband in the van. So $25 with hand-cut dovetails. Oh, that happens. Wow. Oh, I see. I can't open it. That's cool. I'm back at home now, just sitting down to edit together all of these clips for you, and there are definitely a ton of coulda, shoulda, woulda items popping up on the screen. Nothing that I actually need, just so many cool treasures in there, big and small. If you check out the first 2 seasons of Salvage Kings over on History Channel, you can actually watch the crew finding a lot of the stuff that we saw in there, and they've just started their 3rd season at a whole new location with a ton of new stuff. I hope you had fun coming on this little adventure treasure hunt with me. Make sure and drop me a comment and let me know what your favorite find was, and I will catch you all next time.